Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit an audio in CapCut PC. So here I've already added both video and also audio to my CapCut PC, and I want to show you how you can edit the audio. So first, there are few things that you can edit your audio. So the first one is how to trim. You can trim or like delete a certain part of your clips by dragging the arrow at the end of the clip like this. It will trim your audio, and if you want to adjust it with your video, you can just drag it like this. And if you want to edit the volume of your audio, you can also just click on your audio, and here under the basic there is volume option. You can just, if you want to make it louder, you can just drag it to the panel here to the right. If you want to make the volume lower, or you can just drag it to the left like this. You can also add some fade in and fade out effect. Like here, fade in will be in the start at the start of the audio, fade out at the end of the audio. And if you want to like add some noise reduction, you can just enable this option. You can also add audio effects to your video, your audio here, and there are lots of options that you can choose. If you want to adjust the speed, go to speed, tap in here, and you can just drag it to the left or right like this to make it fast. Just drag it to the right to make it slow, drag it to the left. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.